A program manager is an individual tasked with a collection of related projects, a program, to complete on time and to satisfactory results. He or she employs strong communications, leadership, organizational, and strategic abilities, and technical expertise, to make the best of it. What is a program manager? A program manager manages large and complicated projects. They ensure the program objectives align with the company objectives. They set up and direct various programs, like opening new shops, product launch, or starting new processes. Program versus project management, what's the difference? Program management involves the management of many interrelated projects that help the company achieve its core goals. Program managers make sure the projects are complementary, optimal in using resources, and create plans to obtain the best results. Skills required for program managers. Program managers require some fundamental skills to perform their work effectively. 1. Risk management, that involves expecting things that aren't working and preparing to address it. 2. Leadership, program managers handle numerous projects and teams. They must communicate, interact with various groups, empathize, and facilitate the team to function smoothly. 3. Conflict resolution, since they work with so many leaders, conflicts arise. Program managers must listen, hear both parties, and help them resolve the conflicts so they can all work in peace. 4. Project management, knowing how to apply project management tools and techniques is positive. 5. Communication and cooperation, this is the ability to have different teams work in unison. It brings together the team members, the leaders, and other project stakeholders. 6. Problem solving, each role has new issues to be resolved. A good program manager resolves the issues calmly and resolves them without adding more work to others. 7. Resource management, this implies the utilization of human resources, time, and machinery to the maximum possible. 8. Negotiation, program managers use this skill when negotiating with stakeholders to ask for budgets, resources, or set targets. 9. Analysis, this talent serves to divide large problems into smaller components to better comprehend them. 10. Budgeting, financial management is crucial in projects. Program managers must budget how they will spend and save funds to maintain projects in line. Conclusion: the future is bright for program management with AI and sophisticated tools simplifying life and making it more efficient. Developing strong competencies, obtaining certifications, and experience are the essentials for success. At iCertGlobal, we assist you in developing the capabilities required for success as a program manager in the new world.